Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is bouncing against the main trend. Expect tests as price moves into resistance. Today, the stock is gained by 2.2%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is a downward gap between $203.97 and $205.56 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 10.9% rise from here. Price has slipped below the rising trend line near $194.12. On rebounds, price may face resistance near $187.23. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $212.19. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $219.64. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 3 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, prior high cleared, and EMA 50 reclaimed. Volume above 120% of the 20-day average still pending, based on the prior impulse. A reasonable completion window is about 43 to 81 sessions, or roughly 12.4 weeks. Invalidation sits near $177.94 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between April 24th and June 11th, the price saw a big increase of around 34.2%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, 186.03 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 191.62 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 221.24, Fib 1.27, and then 232.76, Fib 1.62. Looking at NVIDIA today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 46.2, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $212. If price manages to close above $212 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $178, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $187, support near $184, a midterm target around $212, a long-term projection close to $220. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for NVIDIA. The most recent headline is NVIDIA stock price forecast. NVDA is extremely cheap ahead of earnings. NVIDIA Q3 earnings are here. Options traders brace for a 7.69% move in NVDA stock. Tip ranks 1 hour ago. NVIDIA Q3 earnings today. NVDA stock November 19th preview. NVIDIA Q3 earnings are here as options traders brace. The Economic Times, 6 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on NVIDIA. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.